All right, let's get to a mad dash. I think I overheard Pinterest.
Yes, and also Snap. I should throw that in. This is a Bank of America piece I'm referencing. David, for those who are caught up in the notion that how interest rates affect stocks, they should read this piece because it really is about how when rates go higher.
What is with these stocks that go up 500%
well,
in a year?
That's what they're saying, that it's time to rethink. And they want to downgrade because these stocks are going to have multiple compression based on the yield, and that they're far too linked with the stay-at-home movement when people are going to start going out. And so they like Booking.com. And you know what, David, I'm in agreement with this. I happen to love Pinterest, but you see what this to that, one good quarter, right? And I like Pinterest because it's hobbyists and stuff, but David, this is the residue of that era where if you lived inside and didn't think that the vaccines were going to roll out this fast, you felt like you had another couple quarters.
Right.
I don't feel people feel like that. I think everyone's, look at AstraZeneca, we haven't talked about it, and I don't know whether people want to go for it, but the vaccine is starting to be available for people who are not my age.
Yes.
And that means they're going to go out and they're going to travel again. And so therefore maybe they don't stay home and look, I think people still cook.
Right.
I really do. But if you think that they aren't, if you think, you're going to be looking at the Pinterest part for travel, and they have a big European component, and that Europe is still shut down. But I do point out that when you look at Snap, which has had, can we show Snap's chart? Snap is unbelievable.
Yeah.
There is this multiple correct. If you get rates, look at this one, David. If you get rates going up more, I know.
Our people need to understand that it is not now. Remember, the comparisons right now we're right at almost at the bottom.
I know.
But people need to remember that a 470% rise in a stock price in 12 months.
Well, that's why this is a very common sense piece. These, the bear case, more multiple compression. I mention it because a lot of the younger investors, David, the stimmies, they don't know multiple compression, but they got to learn it. Because they might be surprised about why Pinterest is going down, even though Pinterest isn't saying anything.
Right.
And it has to do with the fact that people, traditional money managers, not them, but traditional money managers look at the 10-year and make a decision about whether this is up too much.
Yep.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.